Hello everyone, this is Li Shang at Subaru Puyallup, your stress-free dealership. We are in the 2021 Limited Forester. We're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set your clock. As you can see, it has the 8-inch Multimedia Plus screen. This is the home button. We are going to go to the settings. We're going to go to time and date. You will go ahead, well, right now it says it's 3:12. You can change the hour by the plus or minus sign and the minute as well. And all you do is hit the check mark and it will adjust your timing above. You do have the option of going to the manual mode, which we just spoke about, and then you can also do auto. So it sets the clock automatically for you. So it's synced with a satellite and your smartphone. So if there's a daylight savings, it will adjust accordingly. But if you like to adjust manual, that's how you would do it. And then you'll go back to your home screen and continue on. For more details, please visit us at SubaruPuyallup.com or check out any one of our other tutorial YouTube videos.